welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So for this set, I decided that I was going to use some purple, some silver foil, some of that white shimmery glitter right there in the middle, and this VENALISA builder gel. Now I've used it before and I wanted to try it again and do a set on it. I'm also going to be encapsulating everything with this SAVILAND builder gel. And for my purple, I didn't have my purple gel polish, so I went and used this red and blue because, you know, red and blue makes purple. So this is everything that I'll be using for this set. Now to begin, I am going to use these stiletto nail tips, and because I'm doing some, I guess not really stiletto because I didn't want a pointy tip, I wanted to round it off. I'm going to use these nail tips because they were like the perfect shape, and I'm just going to cut them down. Right now I'm sizing them, and then I am going to cut them down, file them into the shape and length that I wanted. So after I've shaped and filed the nails, I am going to go in with this beautiful shimmery like white glitter, and I'm going to do a full glitter nail on the pinky. So I'm going in with my base coat, and then I am going to place that glitter right on top of it and then cure that for 60 seconds. Now for the point nail, I'm doing the same thing, but instead of it being the entire nail, I'm doing an ombre. So I'm just bringing it up where the fake nail meets. Basically, I'm doing it all. I'm putting the base coat all on the fake nail. And then I'm going to place that glitter all over the nail and cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my red and blue and try to make that purple color that I did not have. And I was looking for maybe like, I wanted a lavender color. So I was trying to get that color, and I was mixing it up and, you know, just trying to get that color that I wanted. So then started adding some more blue, and then I added my Builder Gel White to actually lighten that up to get that purple color, which I eventually got, which was the lavender color that I want, that you'll see I get. So once I finally got to the color that I wanted, I am going to do an ombre on the ring finger and the thumb fingers. So for my ombre, I'm just basically gel polishing that entire fake tip and also doing that for the thumbnail. And after I do the first layer, I cure it for 60 seconds, then go back in with a second layer and cure that for 60 seconds. And once I was finished with that, I'm going in with my VENALISA Builder Gel, and I know you guys seen this in a previous nail haul video. And so I was so excited to use this because I used it before and I loved it. It had like its great self-leveling and it was just so easy to use. So right now I'm just going to use a slip layer, and a slip layer helps maintain the gel stay in one position so it doesn't get so runny. So I put on that slip layer and then I go in and take like 3 beads. My brush wasn't big enough, so this was just basically like my cuticle bead, and I just go from side to side, bring that up to the cuticle area, and basically like just place it exactly where I wanted it to go. And then I did the apex bead and then the tip bead. And one thing I love is that it self levels, and you can see like it's barely even moving, which is so great. Like I've already put, this is the 3rd bead towards the end, it's not cured at all and it's not flooding the cuticle, and it's self-leveling, and this is I really really like it. I just had to swipe a little bit right there, and then I just cured it in the lamp, and it was so pretty. Like I really definitely recommend this builder gel because look at it, it looks so good. Like look at that, really really good. So now I'm going to do my ombre for the ring finger, and I'm just doing the exact same thing, pushing it back to the, but one thing I forgot to put the slip layer on. So that's the only thing that I didn't do for the ring finger. But I do it here for the thumb. I put my slip layer on, and then I just take a bead, a small bead, go back and forth, and just feather it out to give it that ombre look. And I do the exact same thing for the pointer finger. And now I do about 3 layers on each finger just to make sure that that apex was there. Now look how gorgeous this is coming out. I am so excited. These look so pretty so far. And I definitely love this nudish builder gel. It's so pretty. It definitely goes with my complexion. So in love with that. And now I'm just encapsulating the nails with my SAVILAND builder gel. And this is just so easy to do. I do about 2 layers on each. So first I encapsulated the ombre nails, and then I'm curing every nail after the first layer. So once I put on the first layer, I cure it for 60 seconds, and then I did the full ombre pinky last just because it was glitter and I didn't want it to be mixed up, the glitter mixed into the builder gel. So once I was done, I cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in and filing my nails. And all I had to do was just use my hand file, and it was pretty easy process to file. You know, I didn't have much filing to do, and that apex was there. So these nails was really easy to do. Like I said, the builder gel is self-leveling, and so was the SAVILAND builder gel clear. Very easy set and highly recommended for beginners. Now, once I was done filing all the nails, I am going to put a top coat on because I was going to add some glitter. So I figured let me put the top coat on, top coat all the nails, and cure that for 60 seconds before you add on any glitter. And that's a mistake that I make sometimes, is that when I put on that glitter, I forget that I need to top coat it so the glitter doesn't get top coated, because then it loses all the shimmer and it gets very stiff, and you don't want that. But let's look at these gorgeous glitter nails. Oh my God, they look so beautiful. I love that glitter. Anyway, so back to the nails. So like I said, so for the middle finger, I decided that I was going to make some purple lines and I guess swirl lines. So I'm going in with the purple and just making a nice swirl line from the cuticle area down to the free edge, and then I make 2 more lines, one on each side, and then cure that for 60 seconds. So now I top coat again because now is when I'm going to add that glitter. So to make that glitter even more purple, I guess, like have that potency, I'm going in with three more lines, and I do it basically in between each line that I already made. As you can see here, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you see I made the lines like in between each line. So now I don't cure the nail yet. I go in with the glitter, put the glitter in, and then cure it, and this is how they look. So this look, I love it so much. Now, I thought I was going to put glitter on the rest of the ombre nails, but I decided not to, and I just left it like this. And instead, I decided that I was going to put some cuticle bling on the pointer finger and the ring finger. So that's what I'm doing here, just taking some rhinestones and putting it basically on the corner of the cuticle area, and doing that for the ring finger also. I also didn't put any of the silver foil. I just felt like it would be too much because I already have the glitter, and yeah, I just thought it would be too much. So I hope you guys like the way I did this design. And now here is the final look. I am so happy with this set. It was so easy to do. That ombre looks flawless. Like, I highly recommend that VENALISA Builder Gel. I am so in love. And look at this glitter. I love it. These are such cute purple and silver nails. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you guys next time.